In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify product not showing on Shopify 2025. If a product isn't appearing on your storefront, don't worry. This walkthrough will take you from the most common fixes to the final checks so you can get it visible and ready to sell. Start by opening the product in your Shopify admin and checking its status. Make sure it's set to active rather than draft or archived. If you're using a publish date, confirm it isn't scheduled for the future. An inactive status is one of the quickest reasons a product won't show up publicly. Next, confirm the product is actually available on your online store's sales channel. On the product page, find sales channels and apps, and ensure online store is selected. If it's missing, add it. If you sell on multiple channels, verify it's enabled for each one where you expect it to appear. Now verify inventory. If you track quantity, ensure the product and every variant has stock available at the locations that fulfill your online orders. A single variant with zero inventory can hide the entire product depending on your theme settings. If you intentionally allow back orders, enable the option to continue selling when out of stock. Check how the product is supposed to appear via collections. If the product should be inside a manual collection, add it there. If it's an automated collection, review the conditions, such as product type, tags, or price, and make sure your product meets them. Also confirm the collection you're featuring on the homepage or navigation is the same one you expect to show. Review tags and storefront filters. If your store uses filters like tag vendor or availability, make sure the product's tags and attributes align. A single mismatched tag can exclude it from filtered views, even if the product is otherwise active and in stock. Confirm pricing. Ensure each variant has a valid price set. Some themes hide products with a price of 0, and a compare it price must usually be higher than the actual price to display as a sale. Double check there's no missing price on any variant. Look at theme settings. Go to online store, then customize and review sections like featured collection, product grid, or search results. Make sure they're pointing to the correct collections and that no setting hides out of stock products unintentionally. Clear your browser cache and preview the store. Do a hard refresh or use a private window, then preview both your live theme and any unpublished theme to rule out caching or theme-specific issues. If none of these resolve it, contact Shopify support. Share the product URL, screenshots of status, channels, inventory, and the steps you've tried so they can quickly pinpoint any backend or indexing issues.